This is a very emotional video, and today morning I just was feeling low and I just recalled how I logged in for an year and I made myself pain free. But as through this journey, I am helping a lot of people who are in pains, who are having a lot of knee pain. I've seen a lot of women who are in pain continuously for years and they are givers. Even if there is pain in their body, they are giving to their families. And I realized that Indian women hardly think about themselves. When I had my injury, I had the accident which led to a muscle tear. And when it happened, I was again pushing myself until after 6 months, I burnt out. I never wish that that phase comes in someone else's life. Earlier, I was the most energetic, people used to say me hyperactive, and I was the person who was like the most energetic person. But then suddenly, when this happened, I thought, what could have been done? 6 months passed by after the burnt out, and I was doing things. I was doing a lot of, things by myself. And I was not having any coach, any person who can guide me through. 6 months later, I thought now it's the time. I started off with my rehabilitation program, full body rehabilitation, and I logged in for a year. I logged in and I saw a lot of difference in my body. My body finally became pain free. I could walk a long, long way. But but then what happened? I realized that sparky Aditi who was there in maybe 2020, 2021, that actually I really thought, and I get this thought a lot in my mind, that एक ही जिंदगी है बॉस, मतलब एक ही जिंदगी मिली है. Why not give that, take that chance to bring that spark back? There is, and I know that spark is inside me right away, and it is there. It sparkles, it cracks a bit, but I don't know. I am not able to hold it or get hold of it. So still bringing in here, I totally believe after that 1 year of rehabilitation, I have built a lot of things. I have built a lot of systems that are helping people out, and they are really helping out. I'm making good amount of money. I am, stable here. I'm happy, but I miss that spark. I mean, I don't know, but I am not sure if what I am doing, what level of action taker I am right now, it's the same that was 5 6 years back, or maybe not. I don't know, but it feels a bit off. I mean, uh, I completely agree that the spark that I'm talking about is 80% in me, and it is active, and I am working because of that spark only that is in there. In that 1 year of rehabilitation, I worked on a lot of things like journaling and all these things, and yes, the spark do came back, but not 100%. Till now, it's been 2 to 3 years, and till now it is not 100%. I want it 100% back, and I am working on it. I want to build a routine towards it, and yes, I am working on it. But that kind of discipline, and that kind of sort of I'm trying to figure out. But I know I'll be able to do it, but just wanted to put this thing out to you as well, that yes, I am doing it. You can too. Every mother, every woman who is having a lot of pain in their life, I completely understand it. You are stuck in the same routine and you are not able to bring that spark back in you. Maybe that was there before marriage, maybe in the first or second year of marriage, maybe when you had that energy, when you had that uh, zeal to live. Like, that's the thing. I have that 80%. I have zeal to live completely 100%. I know that, because I love going here and there. I love experiencing things, and every day in and out, I'm living in the moment. But that action taking and that, passion that I had maybe 5 6 years back, that maybe slowed down. I won't say it's not there, it is there, but kind of it slowed down, maybe because of the pain. And I was almost in pain for 6 years, sorry, 6 months to almost 1 year. And that's when I thought that I should make my body a priority. I am really grateful that all this happened to me in my early years, because maybe the body has a good healing capacity in early years, and that's a good thing, because it healed in only 1 year. I have seen people trying out different things for 10 years and still not getting any results. And then I thought, if all this helped me out, why can't I help other people out? And that's when I started for the knee specifically, because I had my injury at the knee region and I wanted to help people out. And I realized that the people in US, people in India, and specifically women I'm talking about here, and they have a lot of knee pain issues. Like, every two in, I won't say even 10, every 2 in 8 women I meet over the age of 40 are having issues with their knees. Whether their knee pain has started, whether their knee pain has been there for like 5 10 years, or it is there, and there are a lot of women suffering from this, and I really wanted to help them out. So that's when I started with the leg strengthening program, and people are really getting help. I've helped over 500 women in this, and I have a community of 178K on Instagram, and I'm super super grateful for that. What I want to tell you through this video is, it's not a moral, but it's something that I applied and it helped me out, and I'm still applying it. I always give this thought to my mind that ek hi zindagi hai, I have to log in and I bring that spark back. And I want to live this life in the best possible manner and in the best possible body shape. I want to try like everything out in this world, and I believe every woman who is even over 30 years of age, 40 years of age should have this thing. And I don't know even if you also feel this thing, but I have been someone who had struggled through the pain a lot. Like, I was in another city and I couldn't walk properly. Still, I had to cook for myself. And because I couldn't stand up and cook again and again for myself, I sort of lost around 5 6 kgs or more in a month itself. And I started looking pale, weak. It was such a bad phase. And I don't want anyone else to be, in that phase again at the back. So, yeah, so this is one thing. And I always think this one thing to myself, that question yourself. Like, how much are you questioning yourself? Are you able to question yourself in a way that helps you grow? Are you able to question this to yourself कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ जिंदगी के साथ? Are you able to think this thing even by yourself, that I actually want to live this life, or I just want कि भाई जिंदगी कट जाए? So, तो अगर 5 दिन भी मुझे ऐसा लगता है, 2-3 दिन भी ऐसा लगता है कि बस ज़िंदगी कट रही है, आई एम नॉट लिविंग इट, आई ट्राई टू डू समथिंग दैट मेक्स मी फील अलाइव अगेन. एंड sometimes it is travel, sometimes it is just painting. Like, कल रात को I just did painting out of the blue. I Because last week I had a lot of screen time, laptop, mobile combined screen time was around 14 hours, and I was really exhausted. My eyes were exhausted, and I wanted something out of this. Though painting also requires my eye muscles, but still, I wanted that apart from the screen, what I can do. Then I read the book and all these things. So, Just try to bring that spark back. It takes years and years and years. And if you have that spark, don't lose it. I mean, it can be the best thing that you have. And just, I would say, do everything in the right manner so that the spark doesn't go off. But sometimes I think this happens so that we can learn about it, or we can, I don't know what it is, but it's just a feeling that I feel. And I see a lot of women not having that spark. I see that spark in my mom a lot, but I don't see in other women. They are, especially, I have seen few housewives also who have spark, but I have seen the lost spark in working women. Maybe because the culture or the 24-hour cycle is made according to the men's hormonal cycle and all. And I completely understand the awareness. Because of the awareness that I have, I see that women's cycle is not 24 hours. I mean, some days I get up and I feel this low, and someday I get up and I feel like I can conquer anything, I can do this, that. So yeah, it's not the same every day for us. The conclusion of this video is not to, show the crying side of me, but I just wanted to share this thing with you all, that एक ही जिंदगी मिली है. Ask this question to yourself. There is only one life that we got, and this level of awareness we have only in this one life. And what are we doing? Are we doing it for purpose? Are we doing it in a way that we love it, or are we just doing life, or are we just spending life as it is going, and going with the flow and not interrupting and all those things? And not doing mistakes, because I love doing mistakes. Then I cry for 2 3 years because I think that I lost my spark and all those things, and then I get back on the track again, get that seat, get that. So I believe that's a very dramatic and a good. I won't say good, because I say things like that this should not happen with you or anyone else in this world. But what can I say about that? I mean, okay, if it is sort of dramatic, I don't know. I have not seen when I talk to a lot of people and they tell me that this happened in my life, this happened, and then I feel this is so less, and so much has happened with me in my life, and I don't know. And when I tell my story, they feel very, they think that my life is happening, but on some days I feel that what is really happening to me and my life. But again, at the end, I would say don't lose your spark and try to bring your spark back, because I've seen people bringing their spark back at 40, 50, 52, and try out things that you love. Try out things. It can be as simple as coloring. It can be as simple as cooking. Few people loves cooking, and few people are utilizing the cooking as a passion to tell diet and tell all these things to others. I mean, don't tell others as well, but at least do those things that bring peace to your head, so that will help you in bringing the spark back. That was the only thing I wanted to tell you all. I haven't posted on YouTube for long, and I just wanted to maybe start with this video, or I was feeling too emotional today to tell you all these things, and I don't know, just wanted to record and put it out there. Thank you for sticking with me for so long, and even if I don't get views on this video, it's completely fine. I am feeling light right now. I just wanted to say all these things, and I was having no one here to listen to me, so I thought, why not tell to the camera? If you are listening, thank you, and I love you.